All right. Finally got my hands on some of these Anarchy 6-inch noise shells. It's only about an inch of space. These Con Killers, they had about 1.25 inches. The Con Killers were about 198 grams total weight. Average, these are coming in over 220 at 223. So let's find out if they're any different from each other. These are heavier, but could have more clay, who knows? So let's get into them. Let's do the fuse first. Fuses, like I've always said, about 1.5. .3 on the fuse. Get into the lift. Lift, we're sitting at 13. It's a lot of lift. And now into the composition of it. Look at this. Let's pop the, oh, sorry about that. The cardboard disc on the top. Expose the clay. Break the clay by squeezing it. This is always the longest part. Don't want to rush it too much because it's not the safest thing to do. So this one's got a lot of clay in it too, just like the Con Killers did. So they're contained really well. All right, now there is a difference. There's another cardboard disc. The Con Killers didn't have that cardboard disc in there. Let's see what that weighs. About 35 grams of clay, so get that second plug out, well, second cardboard disc. Whoa, hold up. There's more clay in there. So maybe that weight difference that we're seeing between the Anarchy and the Con Killers is just the overabundance of clay that they got going on in here. We are still down to the composition. Holy crap. Sorry it's taking so long, but holy moly. What the heck? It just keeps going, ladies and gentlemen. We're at 50 grams of clay at this point. All right, holy crap. This is why I take these things apart, just to, get away from all the smoke and mirrors that you see in the firework industry. All right, we're finally down to the composition. So let's see what that weighs out to be. All right, still hefty. Impressive. Okay, we're at 57.6 grams. Con Killers were a little bit lighter than that, only by 5 grams or so, 4 grams, which is kind of in the air of, the averages. So they're pretty much the same, if you ask me. We'll add this one up. So these come out to be 71.9 grams. The con killers were in the 60s, but this also has 4 more grams of lift and about 5 more grams of the burst. But the burst is one of those things, and the lift, that it's not a measured thing. So I'd say they're pretty much the exact same. Pretty darn close. Depends on what shells, because some shells are lighter, some shells are heavier by 5 to 8 grams in some situations. So I would say they're equal.